In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pair fonts in Canva. Great font pairing can make your design look polished, readable, and professional. We'll keep this simple by using two approaches. First, Canva's built-in pairing tools for quick, reliable results, and second, a few proven rules you can follow when you want to create a custom combination. Start by opening your design in Canva. On the left, open the Design tab, then select Styles. In the Styles panel, look for font sets. These are curated pairings created to work well together, and they apply to your design with a single click. Try a few to see how they change the personality of your layout. If one feels close but not perfect, apply it first. Then fine-tune sizes and colors to better match your content. This is one of the fastest ways to get a professional look without second-guessing every choice. You can also explore pairings from the text panel. Click Text on the left, then scroll until you find Font Combinations. These are pre-designed text blocks that already use complementary fonts for headings and subheadings. Add one to your canvas. Replace the placeholder text with your own and adjust the layout. The pairing stays intact while you tweak what matters: wording, scale, and spacing. This is especially helpful if you want a ready-made structure that you can personalize in seconds. If you prefer manual control, follow a few simple rules. First, aim for contrast. Pair serif font those with small feet. Like Playfair Display with a clean sans serif. Like Lato. The difference in shape creates visual interest and makes headings stand out while body text stays easy to read. Avoid using two fonts that look almost the same. Too little contrast can feel accidental rather than intentional. Next, establish hierarchy. Give headings a bold or decorative style, so they draw attention and keep paragraphs in a highly readable font. Use size, weight, and letter spacing to reinforce the order of information. Headings should be clearly larger, while body text remains consistent and comfortable to scan over longer sections. Finally, limit your selection. Stick to 2, maybe 3 fonts in a single design. If you need variety, use different weights or styles from the same family rather than introducing another typeface. This keeps everything cohesive across slides, pages, or posts. Use Canva's font sets or font combinations to jump. Start your design, then apply these rules whenever you want a custom touch. Thanks for watching.